Welcome to 105 West South Street in Morrice. This is a great 3-bedroom home sitting on a third of an acre with many updates in the last 10 years, including the roof, windows, furnace, and water heater. As you enter the front door, you are welcomed into the living room that features hardwood floors and 2 large windows that offer lots of natural lighting. The living room is open to the eat-in kitchen, and the kitchen has good countertop and cupboard space, and all the appliances are included. From the kitchen, you can also enter to the backyard and deck area. The primary bedroom is off the kitchen and has a walk-in closet and access to the laundry room that has additional storage. The second and third bedroom are good sized and have hardwood floors, and the bathroom has also been updated. Off the back of the home is a large covered deck that is open to the backyard that is completely fenced. My name is Barb Roll-Wyzga with Keller Williams First in Morrice. For additional details or to schedule a time to see this home, please feel free to call or text me at 517-712-8009.